Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So we are back in my 2015 Subaru WRX. And why don't we start off how we always start things off with the second gear pull to redline. Beautiful. So hope you guys are all enjoying your spring weather. It's been absolutely beautiful here. The grass is greener, the sun is shining, the birds are out. It's just been so beautiful to say the least. I just really appreciate all the nice weather and just the nice vibes, you know, the warmer weather and sunshine just kind of makes everyone in a much better mood. So I'm definitely enjoying that very much so. You guys are all as well. For those of you who follow my gaming channel, I did finally get an RTX 5080, and of course the end goal is to get the 5090. But either way, I think the 5080 will hold me over for a little while until I could get something better. I am happy to be back doing gaming benchmarks on my PC side of YouTube, if you will. But in terms of the car, I got a few maintenance items done all by myself. I did change the brake rotors and also the brake pads. I changed the accessory drive belt. And just to let you know, you can save so much money doing DIY stuff. I mean, I did the brake rotors and brake pads, and the dealership wanted like $1,200 for them to do it. And what I had to do was just buy the parts, a little under $300 total for the brake rotors. And I had some tools already, so I did that and saved myself a whole lot more, almost like $900. So quite a deal saver in terms of doing it yourself. And in terms of the accessory drive belt, again, it's a very simple job. It's like a 5 to 7 minute job, if that. Dealership wants $280 to change the accessory drive belt, and I did it probably within 6 minutes. And it was just a quick, easy job, got it done, no problems. And then I also did an oil change about 2 months ago, so I'm all good when it comes to the oil and fluids in the car, so that's always nice. But definitely enjoying the car, and I still have fun there, here and there. I mean, I'm not always doing pulls. I do, you know, take things easy most of the time when I'm not recording videos. But I still definitely do enjoy the car, and I love doing pulls and hearing the roar of the engine, and also bringing you guys along for the ride, which has been a little while since I made my last video, so it does feel good to be back at it and recording some footage, and here we are. Let's do a downshift to third gear, yellow throttle. The Michelin Pilot All-Season 4s, which I've been running now for well over 300 miles, so they are fully broken in. It definitely do hold the road nicely. And once we get a little bit further down the road, we'll head on to some little twisties, and I'll show you how the handling feels on these Michelin Pilot All-Season 4s, which is a performance-oriented all-season tire. And it's kind of like similar performance to the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, but not quite. But it's kind of a balance of a little bit of a winter tire in terms of light snow, and they're also really good in the rain too. So I did manage to do some pulls in the rain, and also off the line, and zero wheel slip. It was just grip all the way, and it just handled very nicely. So I have been enjoying these tires. I've never really pushed it to the limit, so this video here will be me pushing the tires a little bit to the limit, at least to show you the handling and everything. But they hold the road nicely, and overall I'm very happy with them. Now, if you are, you know, wanting to run the ultimate summer tire, I would just say go for the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. That's going to be the ultimate in terms of summer performance. But the Michelin Pilot All-Season 4 is just kind of like a mix of a balance of a good all-season tire, also good decent, actually more than decent. It's ultra high performance tire, but it definitely does have a nice balance of all-weather grip, you know, so it's pretty good for what it does. So we're gonna head over to my little twisty area of the road, and then we'll do some pulls through the twisties and see how everything handles. Once we get this light here, hopefully soon. That's my first ever miss shift in this car. It's kind of funny. First for everything, right? Alright, so now we're going to head over to my twisties and we'll give it some throttle and we'll see how it holds the road. Yeah, she holds the road nicely. I mean, this is definitely not a road where I normally don't go that fast, but it definitely holds the road nicely. And the brakes feel absolutely phenomenal. Very smooth pedal feel with the new brake rotors. Get turned around here, make a super illegal maneuver here, test the handling further. But yeah, she grips nicely. It's a brake set. Alright, back to the twisties. Yeah, these brakes feel so much better. Wow, unbelievably good brake pedal feel. I was going to get that light. I was going to do a nice turn, but it's fine. Yeah, brakes feel phenomenal though. Turbo feels just like it's steaming. As you can see, the car runs very strong. It's definitely pulling nicely and sounding as invigorating as can be. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to make a short little video, have a little fun with you guys, and show you that I'm still enjoying my 2015 Subaru WRX and still enjoying life, and it feels good to be back doing benchmark videos. And as always, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support while I was not making videos. I do appreciate everybody still supporting the channel while I was away. And until then, if you want to see more content like this, more 2015 Subaru WRX drag videos, as well as more RTX with Yeti gaming benchmarks, feel free to subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Happy Sunday. And I will see you guys for another video presentation, probably in a gaming benchmark. I'm probably going to do Far Cry 6 next, so following this video, you'll probably see a after card video for Far Cry 6 if you're into the gaming benchmarks, and we'll take things from there. But as always, thanks for watching. See you guys around. Happy weekend, and see you guys around. Peace out, guys. Here's WRX signing out.